The porch light is flickering, dying in the cold. The story of us that's already been told. I'm watching the amber turn brittle and gray, just like the words that you couldn't say. I hold my breath as the wind starts to moan. It's a different kind of quiet when you're here alone. There's no crash of thunder, no slamming of doors, just the ghost of your footsteps on these hardwood floors. And I never knew that a heart could break with a sound so small it's easy to mistake. It's the sound of a falling leaf, the quietest kind of grief. No scream, no cry, just a soft goodbye as it drifts from the branch to the ground to die. It just lets go, landing in shadows where the garden won't grow. That's how I felt when you walked out of reach, like the hollow, dry sound of a falling leaf. The coffee is cold in the cup that you left, a house turned into a chamber of death. You took all the color, you took all the light. Now I'm just a season that's losing the fight. I used to be gold, I used to be green. Now I'm the saddest thing I've ever seen. Gravity is a heavy, lonely thing. It pulls at the soul and it clips every wing. I'm waiting for winter to bury the mess, to cover this ache and this emptiness, because the landing is lonely and the air is so thin when you're realizing where the end must begin. It's the sound of a falling leaf, the quietest kind of grief. No scream, no cry, just a soft goodbye as it drifts from the branch to the ground to die. It doesn't put up a fight, it just lets go, landing in shadows where the garden won't grow. That's how I felt when you walked out of reach, like the hollow, dry sound of a falling leaf. Just a rustle in the grass and silence, just a moment that passed, then silence. I'm hitting the ground, I'm hitting the ground. side.